Hi guys, today I'll be showing to you about the Swiftrans wake up light. So it has a multi-purpose wake up light. You can use it for alarm, for FM station, or for like just time display for the sunset. So yeah. First of all, I will show you the different features of it. So this is the FM station. So if you press this, so that all the streams flow I already auto saved the FM station, so I'll show you how this works. So basically, if you wanted to increase the volume, oh, it's basically at the back actually, but this is the increase station and then decrease station. So if you wanted to go back to the older station, then you go back here. If you wanted to go to the other station, you go back here. And the volume basically is at the back. So I will show it to you in a bit. Okay, and then this is the sunset, so you just have to press that and it will show here that it's turned on. So if you want that out, just press it again. So yeah, this is the light. So press it once, it will go to the white light, and then press it twice, it will go to different lights. So I will show you that it will automatically go from one to the other light, which is pretty cool. So it has different lights. So yeah, so if you wanted to press it again, that will turn off. And this is the alarm, so that will show there. You just have to adjust the time of what time you want to wake up. So yeah, just make sure it's there, so that you know you're gonna wake up the alarm. So yeah, so this is the time display. So just press that one, so it will go to the minutes, and then you press it again, it will go to hours. So yeah, so you can just change that. So if you want that, if it's adjusted, then you can just press it again. And this is the snooze. So once your alarm is on and you wanted to snooze it, just press this. So that would basically turn on the snooze. So it won't show until you save the alarm. Okay, so at the back there's a handle, which is nice because you can just carry it anywhere you want, and you know it's safer to hold it like this. So which is great because you can just move it around or something. But this is the use over USB plug. So that's the USB plug, so it's included in the box. So without it, the time will turn off, so you have to adjust it again. So yeah, so make sure that if you wanted to use this in the bedroom, make sure that you don't unplug it. And if you wanted to move it to a different room or something, then just make sure to adjust the time. So at the back there's the volume. So here is the volume for the FM station. So I'm going to press that. So yeah, so this is the volume. If I press that, so it will say 6 up to 15. So I'll stop talking for now to show you. So that's the loudest, and then if you wanted to go to the lower volume, you have to go press it again. So yeah. So if you want to turn it off, just press the FM station. So that's the only thing I noticed about the volume. You have to go all the way up before you turn down the volume. And this is the nature sound. So if you press this, so yeah, that one is not really good. And let me see. Oh, sorry. So that's the bird. So yeah, so that's the nature sound. So if you press it again, that will turn off. Oh, sorry. And this is the 12 and 24-hour format. So if you wanted 12 hours or 24 hours or like military time, you can just press that. And then the intensity of time display. So this is the one. So I will press it, show you. So if you press it once, so it's pretty darker. So it's darker at night. So if you don't like any light at night, just press that one, so it will turn off. And if you want it to low light, that's the low light. So yeah, it's pretty nice wake up light and very useful. And at the back it has the speaker, and this is the battery. So if you don't want the power outlet, you can use 3 pieces of AAA batteries. Yeah. So yeah, aside from that, of course, there's a manual, so all the information are here. You just have to read everything. So basically, this is a good product to have, because like, especially I liked having a FM station, so this is very useful for me. And of course the alarm, let's say my phone is broken, so I can use this for alarm. But so yeah, so it's you can find this in Amazon. They're not too expensive, but they're worth very useful. So I hope you guys liked the video and I was able to show you how to use the Swiftrans wake up light. If you have any questions, just let me know. Thank you guys.